Katika nchi yetu ya Kenya unaambiwa kama unataka kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya basi anza na kumuoa mwalimu. Leo tunasamia kisa cha wanawake hawa watatu wenye nguvu zaidi nchini Kenya. I'm speaking about the three most powerful women in the country up to now. The former First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Margaret Kenyatta, and the current First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, RACHE Ruto, and Inda Betty Anyango ODINGA are all qualified graduate teachers. Throw in the late Mama Lucy Kibaki, you have a winning team. All these women have one thing in common. They were all teachers. These women have in one way or another carved a legacy behind some of the most powerful men in Kenya who have been and around the presidency. Despite teaching in various parts of the country, some have to put their careers on hold as the political lives of their husbands took center stage. Margaret Kenyatta, the former First Lady, wife to the fourth President of the Republic of Kenya, UHURU Kenyatta, was born in 1964. She went to the prestigious St. Andrew's School in Molo and later enrolled as an undergraduate student at the Kenyatta University for a degree in education. The former First Lady is regarded as a key pillar in Kenyatta's presidency and her resolve to reduce child and mother mortality through the Beyond Zero campaign and her accolades worldwide. And on the second, we have RACHE Ruto, the current First Lady of the Republic of Kenya and the wife to the President, William Ruto. She was born in the year 1968 in Lukuyani, Kakamega County. She attended Butere Girls High School, then proceeded to Kenyatta University for a degree in education. Rachel went on to earn a Master of Arts in 2011 at the Catholic University of East Africa. Although she studied education, she later ventured into business. At number 3, we have Ida Odinga. Ida Odinga is the wife to the enigma of Kenyan politics, Raila Odinga, and she was born in the year 1950. She earned a Bachelor's of Arts from the University of Nairobi in the year 1974. It was here that she met Raila Odinga, who was then teaching at the Department of Engineering. She taught for over 20 years before being hounded out of Kenya High School after Odinga was detained in 1982. The incarceration of her husband brought a halt to her teaching career as she concentrated more on raising a family while Odinga was in detention. And that's why I tell you, for starters, if you want to be a president in this country, then make sure you marry a teacher. That's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to FM Show KE. See you in the next video.